I found an incredible animal fusion niche that is getting millions of views, but it's still untapped. This Instagram account got almost 1 million followers in just a few months, and their top reel is crossing 80 million views. So, I decided to research YouTube, and I found a few channels working on it, like Planet of AI, which posted 74 videos and got almost 300,000 subscribers. Another one is Bionic AI, which posted 119 videos and got 140,000 plus subscribers. But they made one mistake, and they're not monetized. I'll explain the mistake in detail so you don't repeat it. Let me show you one of their videos, and then I'll guide you in detail. By the end of this video, you'll be an expert in creating AI hybrid animal videos. In this video, I'll share a powerful prompt that you can use to create hybrid animal images. This prompt has 3 simple parts to change: the first animal name, the second animal name, and the location. It's easy but very effective. Let me explain it in detail. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to give you a list of animal names, or you can search for a list of animal names on Google. From this list, you'll need to pick 2 animal names to create a fusion. You can choose any 2 animals that you think will make an interesting hybrid. For example, if you choose a lion as your first animal, you can pick an eagle as your second animal. The last part of the prompt is the location where you want the image to be set. Choose a clean or specific location, like a desert. Now copy this prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and press enter. ChatGPT will generate 2 different prompts for you, one simple prompt and one hybrid prompt. After generating these prompts, let's test them. Now copy the first prompt, which is the normal image prompt. I'm going to use Kria AI, which has the Flux model. First, open Kria AI and create a free account. After that, click on Generate and select the Flux model. Next, go to Aspect Ratio and choose the 9:16 ratio. Paste your prompt and click the Generate button. You can also use another free image generator website called Piclumen. Open Piclumen AI, create a free account, click on the Create button, paste your prompt, and select the Flux Schnell model or use Piclumen's realistic model. Again, choose the 9:16 ratio and the number of images, then click Generate. The third option is to use Bing Image Creator, which is also free. Simply paste your prompt and generate the images. You can choose any image generator that works best for you. Now, you'll see the results from Kria AI, which I found quite good. Download the image you like best. I've shared these websites so you have multiple options for generating free images. Next, let's use the second prompt. Copy it and generate the image using Kria AI, Piclumen, or Bing Image Creator. Now compare the results. If you're not satisfied with the outcome, try pasting the same prompt into all the image generators to get the best possible image. After generating, download your hybrid image as well. Now, let's use different animals this time. The method is very simple. Just copy 2 new animal names, replace them in the prompt, and change the image location. Then, copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT again. ChatGPT will provide you with 2 new prompts. The first will be a normal image prompt, and the second will be a hybrid image prompt. Now again, copy and generate an image using the first prompt, which is the normal image prompt. Then use the hybrid prompt for creating hybrid animal images. After generating the first image, download the best one. Then, generate the hybrid image using the second prompt and download it as well. Before we move on to the next step, I'll generate one more hybrid animal image because the next step is the most important part of this video. Okay guys, the image generation process is done. Now we need to animate these images to increase our chances of monetization. The best option for this is Runway ML if you have a paid plan. The second option is Hilo AI, and the third is Hyper AI, which is currently free. I'll also share one more tool later if these tools don't work properly. On Runway ML, click on the Generate Video button, then upload your hybrid image. We will animate the hybrid image only. After uploading, click the Generate button. If you don't have access to this tool, use Hilo AI. Upload the hybrid image and click the Create button. If this tool is not working, go to Hyper AI. Click on the Image to Video button, upload your hybrid image, and click the Create button. As you can see, the Runway ML results are awesome. Hilo AI is good but not perfect, and Hyper AI didn't work well for me. So we need a fourth tool called Immersity AI, which is free. Open the website, create a free account. You can use temporary mail to sign up. Then upload your hybrid image and select the animation style. I'm choosing the zoom in style. After that, click on the Export button, select MP4 3D motion, and click Next. Keep clicking Next without changing any settings. Now, you can see the results from Immersity AI. So, here you have multiple tools to animate your hybrid images, depending on your needs. Next, we will move on to the video editing process. For the video editing process, I am using CapCut. You can use this tool on mobile or PC. First, import the normal image and hybrid clips into CapCut. Start by dropping the normal image onto the timeline, making sure it's 1 or 2 seconds long. Then, add the hybrid clip and trim it to 1 or 2 seconds as well. Keep all clips the same length. If you are displaying an image for 1 second, then display each clip for 1 second. Using this method, place all the images and hybrid clips on the timeline and adjust them accordingly. Next, select the first image, go to Animation, and apply any animation style to all the normal images. There's no need to animate the clips because they are already animated. Then, go to Transitions and apply a zoom in or pull in transition. You can choose any transition based on your video editing style. After applying all the transitions, download or go to Stickers and find the plus icon to add above all normal images only. Now, it's time to add background music. Make sure to use copyright-free music. I'm using a track I downloaded from the hybrid video, so I'll leave the link in the video description. Once this is done, export your video. Here's a demo. To increase your chances of approval, make sure to add voiceover, animations, or a voice with a face. Try to include educational value as well. Using these methods, you can gain a lot of subscribers, which can help you get approval for uploading different topics later.